There is no new content within 1 kilometer of your current location, increasing radius to 3 kilometers. Peggys Cove Preservation Area, Nova Scotia. Peggys Cove Preservation Area is a preservation area and community enacted by the Nova Scotia government to preserve the unique scenic beauty, character and atmosphere of Peggys Cove for the enjoyment of both residents and visitors within Peggys Cove, Nova Scotia, mandated by the Peggys Cove Commission Act. The area includes the Swiss Air Flight 111 Memorial Site at Willesbach. Thanks for listening. Peggys Cove, Nova Scotia. Peggys Cove is a small rural community located on the eastern shore of St. Margaret's Bay in Nova Scotia's Halifax Regional Municipality, which is the site of Peggys Point Lighthouse, established 1868. Thanks for listening. St. John's Anglican Church, Peggys Cove, Nova Scotia. St. John's Anglican Church is an historic Carpenter Gothic-style Anglican church building located at 8 Church Road in Peggys Cove, Nova Scotia, Canada. Built in 1893 to 1894 of wood, St. John's is the only church in Peggys Cove. Its steep pitched roof, board and batten siding and lancet windows are typical of Carpenter Gothic churches. The church contains 2 murals painted in 1963 by noted Canadian artist and local resident William E. D. Garth. St. John's is a municipally registered heritage site within the Halifax Regional Municipality as designated on February 22, 1993. The designation encompasses both the church building and the land on which it is located. St. John's is part of St. Peter's Parish in the Anglican Diocese of Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. St. John's is open for visitors 6 days a week from June till October, staffed by volunteers. The current priest in charge of the parish, St. Peter's, Peggys Cove, is the Rev. Tanya Dawson, M.A., M.Div. Thanks for listening. Peggys Point Lighthouse. Peggys Point Lighthouse, also known as Peggys Cove Lighthouse, is an active lighthouse and an iconic Canadian image. Located within Peggys Cove, Nova Scotia, it is one of the busiest tourist attractions in the province and is a prime attraction on the Lighthouse Trail Scenic Drive. The lighthouse marks the eastern entrance of St. Margaret's Bay and is officially known as the Peggys Point Lighthouse. Thanks for listening. Halibut Rock. Halibut Rock, just off the rocky shore of Peggys Cove Point, Nova Scotia, is a navigation hazard, lying slightly below the surface. Extreme low tides sometimes offer a quick glimpse of its flat surface protruding above the trough of a swell. Most times cresting waves reveal its location, just southwest of the lighthouse. Halibut Rock is charted on the nautical chart of St. Margaret's Bay D7-4386. Thanks for listening. Are you interested in advertising on AutoWIKI? If